Hello, guys. As in, I am so low. I know that I can't speak loudly because I'm at airport and everyone is staring at me, and I'm vlogging after ages. So it is really difficult for me as of now. This is gonna be very interesting. As in, guys, where am I traveling? I'm at Mumbai International Airport and I'm traveling to London once again. But the catch is, this is not my official trip. This is my first ever international holiday by myself. And this is my first international stopover. As in, I have a very long 7 hour stopover at Colombo. So right now my flight is at 3 o'clock and right now it is 1 o'clock. So अभी मैंने I have taken KFC thing which I have right now. Okay, I'll go roam around, then go near my gate, have a nap if I have time. I'll sit in the plane and then उसके बाद में I'll catch you at Colombo. I've reached to Colombo and I hate this airport and the Sri Lankan service because they literally they had I understand they have so many transit flights but they were telling us to wait. Even the gates are not mentioned and I don't know, somehow I have got a small bump. I'm very sorry for the lights. So I'm very tired. I couldn't sleep. I was watching a dog movie, and now I'll go and at least I'll try to get an Indian tea. The first thing which we do after getting down at the airport, we go to washroom. The washrooms are not clean. As in, I don't really understand. I feel like I have come to Chennai instead of Sri Lanka or Sri Lankan airport. Anyways, I'm not gonna bug you up more. I'll just get back to you once I am, as in, literally done finding with my gate and everything. And I'm so tired. See how I'm moving my phone. I'll go get a nap first. So finally I've got some seat at airport barista का चाय जिसकी बहुत ही pathetic है और जिसके लिए मैंने 200 रुपये दिए $2 2.50 और अब देखो लोग सो रहे हैं people are sleeping on the floor मैं नहीं कर सकती ये सब. What's the restaurant's name? Bar and restaurant. Palm. What is this? Palm? Okay, so I was hungry, so I came to have something in this idli, something Indian, and they gave me this open. Okay, thank you. So I was saying, guys, I came to this Harm's Strip restaurant, Sri Lankan catering, and they have idli for $7 and $2.50 tea. There were intercontinental breakfast, continental breakfast, English breakfast, Thai curry, and something like that. But I wanted to go a little light because even continental breakfast was fried omelette and half cooked like a half cooked egg, which I will not prefer because I didn't want to go heavy any which ways. I'm gonna go and have in the flight. I have to wait for more 4 hours. So I just wanted to fill in a little bit because I didn't eat in my Mumbai to Colombo flight, which I should have. And anyways, this trip is costing me so much. 200 की चाय, वापस 200 की चाय और ये 600 रुपये की इडली. ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं. For once, it is good. At least I'm living my life. Chalo, I'll show you. I literally explored the whole airport. I didn't sleep a single minute because I couldn't. The seats are fucking bad, not comfortable at all, and people are sleeping on the floor, which is so funny and annoying. So I couldn't sleep. So I was just exploring. I saw every store of this airport. I went in each and every food hub, as in Barista Chali Gayi. There's a giant snack bar. There I went to have a tea. And I went in that Paul's restaurant and bar where I had idli and chai as my breakfast. After that, again I went down, checked, explored. Public to सिर्फ सोने का ही काम कर रही है यहाँ पे पूरा एयरपोर्ट सो रहा है. And now I have 1.5 hours. So after that my boarding will start. So I'll see you in the aircraft. Bye. So now my boarding gates are open and I'm gonna go. As I'm walking towards my gate, this airport looks like hospital to me. इसका जो भी arrangement है, I just feel like I've entered in a hospital. I don't know why. I didn't like this airport at all. Neither I liked the airlines. Anyways. What's up? So guys, I have reached London and then I did time pass 2 days at home. We didn't go anywhere. And let me just introduce this is Chandni, the tattoo girl. As in, I have showed you guys the tattoo. This is Chandni. And I couldn't shoot like when I landed on the airport, but then I had no battery on my phone. So I came home, I was tired, I slept. Again, next day I slept. Again, next day I slept. We had a little party at home. Some friends had come over. So today we are going for hip hop brunch in Holborn, central London, right? And we are in South London right now. So we're gonna catch train from Tooting station, and from there, I don't know, she'll take me. So it's gonna be daylight party or like daytime party something. I have never attended and I have never gone to hip hop brunch. And if I have gone, then I don't know because in India we didn't call anything like hip hop brunch. Let's see if I can film there. I'll show you guys how it is. And one of our friends is gonna perform in there, so I will show you. So we have got down at Holborn station and we're gonna go munch something at McD because one of our friends is gonna come. So we came from Tooting, we got down at Bank. From Bank we got another train and we got down at Holborn. So we just came out of the club and now we got this bike thing. They get £2 a bicycle for £2 per day, and then we're gonna go. No, it's my vlog. You can say hi. That's Mandy. Yeah, so
Hi.
these are the bikes, and I don't know how to ride a bike, but
Oh my.
let's see whether I can do that or no. So we are here on Oxford Street. I just kept my bike back in the bike stand. I literally drove like a little, and because I don't know anything about the roads of this city and rules, regulations, nothing, I was getting too scared. So they continued riding the bikes. I continued walking because it was just 2 minutes distance, and we hiked here at Primark. So maybe we'll shop a little bit. I'll show you if I'm doing something interesting, and then back home. Bye. So today is India-Bangladesh match. So I guess they have some thing going on the road. They are supporting Bangladesh. I guess there are some Bangladeshi. And my friends just parked their bike, and I can't cross the road. I have to keep my phone. Bye, bye guys. Bye. Yeah, so we are done riding the bikes. My friend got shades from Primark. I didn't shop because I was bored and tired walking because they were riding and I was walking. So we came near Marble Arch station. There's a park. We're just chilling here, and then we're gonna go back in train and then go home and eat pav bhaji. So I'll get back to you tomorrow. Bye. Keep watching. Don't go anywhere. Bye bye.